In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook to send emails from a Gmail address. By the end, Outlook will send messages using your Gmail address and keep everything in sync so you can work comfortably from one inbox. Start in your Gmail account. Open Gmail in a browser, then go to Settings. From there, move into the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab. Look for the IMAP section and enable IMAP access. This lets Outlook talk to Gmail using the modern, two-way protocol that keeps your folders, read status, and sent mail consistent across devices. Be sure to save your changes before leaving that page. Without that final save, Outlook won't be able to connect properly. Next, confirm your account security. If you haven't already, turn on two-factor authentication for your Google account. This adds a second layer of protection beyond your password. When 2FA is enabled, create an app-specific password for Outlook inside your Google account security settings. This special password is used only by Outlook and helps prevent sign-in issues. Keep it somewhere secure while you set things up, and remember that it's different from your normal Google password. Now switch to Outlook. Open the app, then go to File and choose Add Account. If you're using the new Outlook interface, open Accounts and then Your Accounts. Enter your Gmail address and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be redirected to a Google sign-in window. Sign into your Gmail account, and when asked, grant Outlook permission to access your email, contacts, and calendar. This permission allows Outlook to sync your messages and keep your events aligned. If you've enabled 2FA, use the app-specific password you generated earlier when prompted. Give Outlook a moment to finish connecting. Your mailbox may take a little time to fully download. Once setup completes, it's time to test. Create a new email in Outlook and confirm the From field shows your Gmail address. Send a quick message to yourself or a trusted contact. After sending, check your sent folder and your Gmail inbox on the web to verify everything is synced. If you don't see mail immediately, wait a minute or two, then refresh. If you run into an error, double-check that IMAP is enabled in Gmail and that you used the app-specific password during sign-in. That's it. With IMAP enabled, strong security in place, and your account added to Outlook, you can send and receive as your Gmail address directly from Outlook, without switching apps.